Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your Shopify online store. First, begin by signing up for a Shopify account, which typically offers a free trial period of 3 days. Next, you will need to choose a distinctive and memorable name for your online store. Finally, accurately input all your essential business details, including your address and contact information, to ensure everything is legally compliant and ready for operation. Once your basic account is ready, the next crucial step is to populate your store with products. Upload high-quality images and write compelling, detailed descriptions for each item. Then, organize these products into logical collections, making it simple for customers to navigate your offerings. Don't forget to accurately set your inventory levels and competitive pricing for every single product you list, ensuring smooth sales. With your products in place, it is time to focus on your store's appearance. Choose a professional and visually appealing theme from the Shopify theme store that perfectly aligns with your brand's identity. Customize its colors, fonts, and overall layout to create a unique shopping experience. Remember to add vital pages, such as an About Us section and a contact page, providing customers with important information. The final steps involve setting up your operational backbone. Configure your shipping rates and define specific delivery zones to ensure smooth logistics for your customers. Next, integrate secure payment gateways, such as Shopify payments, to process transactions efficiently and safely. Before going live, meticulously review all your store settings, from product details to legal policies, ensuring everything is perfect for your grand launch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.